afternoon, Sonia Ferrella from anyhousecleaning.com, and today we are gonna do 4 carpets. This is a rental property. This is one of the bedrooms. You can see some traffic area. There is some spots over there, traffic area here, some stains in this corner. The products that we are gonna use is Tops Pad Cap Pro. Another product for Tops is Top Spot, and another product to remove the odor and improve the odor. So traffic area, some spot here. This area is really bad, so we're gonna treat it. They're gonna rent the property. We are in Haines City right now. We bring our Phoenix OP machine after we went to Kentucky, and the company Tops refurnished for me. They remove all the handle, all the pieces. They disassemble the machine and they repaint. They use sandblast the previous paint, and they did a beautiful job. I bought some pads that we're gonna use today. It's beautiful, brand new. The hose, the handle, this I didn't have before. The hose, the cap, the filter, motor, everything. It's brand new. So stay tuned for videos. So first step, you know already, that is vacuuming, right? For this type of houses, we use the workhorse vacuum. It's excellent vacuum to remove all the pet hair. Cap Pro concentrated is only 2 ounces for 2.5 gallons. I said 2 ounces here. That's it.
In a quiet home where carpets fade, dust and stains too long have stayed, but then came to with heart and pride. Sonia and Fiorella side by side. We don't just clean, we restore with care. With OPE, the fresh is everywhere. Dry times are low, but results are high. We lift the dirt, we never lie. Call 407-57-241-18. We'll bring your carpet back to great. Our pads are strong, absorb and trap. With cotton blend, we close the gap. From fibers deep to edges wide. We sanitize, we beautify. We're not a franchise, we're the name to women strong who built their fame with love and care in every room. They'll chase away the dusty gloom, so let your floors feel fresh and free. With Sonia and Fiorella, that's the key. Eco-safe with a gentle hand, the cleanest touch in all the land. 407-57-241 fibers deep to edges wide. We sanitize, we beautify. Call 407-57-2-4118. We'll bring your carpet back to gray. Our pads are strong, absorb, trap and trap. With cotton blend we close the gap.